Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we will learn to make some new words using vowel A, E, I, O and U. Our topic name is sounds in the middle of words. Number 1. Write A in each middle square. B square G, C square T. We will write A in the middle, BAG bag, CAT cat. Next one is J square M, F square T. We will write A here also. So JAM jam, FAT fat. Number 2. Write E, I, O and U in the proper boxes. Here are 4 boxes and we will choose proper vowel to write in proper box. P box N, T box N. We will write here I. So it will be PIN pin, TIN tin. Second one is F box N, B box N. So we will write here U. So it will be FUN fun, BUN bun. Next box B box Y, C box Y. We will write here O. So it will be BOY boy, COW cow. Next D box N, P box N. We will write here E. So it will be DEN den, PEN pen. So dear students, watch the video very carefully and try to write properly.